doesn't care. Okay. Excited? Why? You have to look over there. Hi, guys.
Hi. How many are we doing? Like, what's the rules? And like...
What do you mean, what's the... So basically, you just spin this thing, and then it goes to whatever.
Right, so how many rounds are we doing?
I think there's just... I don't know. I don't think we're eating all of it.
We'll do it 3 times.
That's it? There's 20. Look at their faces.
Wait, 5 times each or just 5 total? And then
5 total. We spin it together.
You spin 1, I spin 1.
How about you talk?
No.
Say hi.
Hi.
Here. Not there. Here.
Hi.
Say hi. Honey.
Hi.
So today we're back with another husband and wife video. So we're gonna take the challenge on this bean boozled jelly beans. I'm not sure if you guys seen this. Thought it was pretty fun because we can spin the wheel and see what kind of jelly bean we get. So there's a lot of choices which we don't know because they look alike. It could be a stink bug, ooh, which is new.
Or toasted marshmallow.
Oh yeah. Or what, dirty dishwasher? Gross. Barf? Dead fish? Are you ready for this?
I guess so.
I don't know. I don't want to look like their faces.
You already look like that.
Oh, thanks. Okay, so basically we're gonna spin this 5 times together and we're gonna eat, I guess there should be like
whatever
4, yeah, whatever one it lands on. I think there's like 4 of that one kind.
No, there's just a bunch. So then we'll just pick and see if we get the one or if we get the
good one? Okay, let's just open this up.
I hope you get all the ones.
Thanks.
Because you're making me do this.
Okay, so this is the Jelly Belly Bean Boozled, and yeah, let's get started. I don't know, I thought it was gonna be something more exciting. Oh, it just came off. Okay, so basically, it looks like this. You have a wheel on one side, and then you have a whole bunch of jelly beans. So...
You're not gonna be able to smell through the candy.
I smell the cardboard. Okay.
Alright, you spin first.
I spin first? Okay.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
Alright. So which one is that? The colorful one?
It's the pink one.
Okay. Okay, that was the one I was gonna get, but okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Tutti Frutti.
Tutti Frutti! Okay. Ooh, it kind of tastes like bubble gum. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Your turn. Spin it. Go ahead.
Nah. Peach or barf?
It's right in the middle, actually, huh?
Okay, then spin it again.
You could spin again. Oh.
Sorry. Toasted marshmallow.
Or stink bug. Cheers. What does stink bug taste like?
Alright. Oh my god.
It kind of tasted like a toasted bug, like a toasted cricket.
It tastes foul.
My turn.
Oh my god, the taste is still in my mouth.
And in case why you are wondering we're wearing these little flannel jammies, it's because after this we're going to be taking some family photos. Oops.
Wait, you already had that.
No, I didn't. I didn't because I was... This...
Strawberry banana.
This is what I was dreading. Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish?
Wait, so which one is that one? This one?
Yeah. Why are you always eyeing the one I want?
So you get that one. Here.
No, because no. Is it that one? Oh, that's different. Okay, I'll take this one. Oh, I'm gonna die as this dead fish.
Ah!
Wait, what is it supposed to be again? Ah! Ew!
That was nasty.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like you know those dried salty fishes that grandma liked to eat? It's called hamur. Ooh. That was bad. All right, honey, your turn.
I don't want to do that one again.
No.
Juicy pear booger.
Juicy pear is really, really good, but I don't know about booger. Oh, wait. Oh.
I don't even want to bite into it. Honestly, pear.
Oh, pear. Me too.
Unless my boogers taste like pears.
Like your fart smells like roses? Birthday cake or dirty dishwasher?
Which one is that?
Oh, it's the white one with the confetti.
That one?
Oh, I see it. Okay.
There's only one.
What?
We got Jip.
Oh, okay. I guess we can't play with that one.
Oh, I don't want to do this one.
Why?
This one looks nasty.
Berry blue or toothpaste?
I guess it's not as bad as the other ones.
We just brushed our teeth, so.
Berry. Berry.
Toothpaste. I didn't like that. Okay. One more.
No, I don't want that one. How about we do the buttered popcorn one?
Without spinning and just take it?
Yeah.
Okay,
it's
let's do
either
it.
buttered popcorn
I know,
or
I was.
rotten egg.
That's the first thing I was eyeing when we opened it because I really like it. Okay, I'll do this one.
Hope you get rotten egg. Cheers.
I hope I get a popcorn.
Oh!
Popcorn!
Oh my god, that is the worst one.
That was the worst one? Can we do the chocolate pudding or dog food?
Sure.
Or you rather do peach and barf?
Let's just do one of each.
Okay.
Where's the peach one?
Because I'll be the last one. After this one's the last one. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
No.
That was chocolate? I guess that wasn't chocolate?
No, that was gross.
Okay, last one in the box. It's going to be, what is it again? Oh, peach or barf. Ooh, you're gonna look like those people on the box, on the front of the box, honey.
I don't know if I want to do this.
I'll do this one. I hope you get barf. Oh! I know, that was really, really bad. I don't know how they come up with this. It's so dead on with the smell. It's so disgusting.
And the taste, it's f***ing gross.
The taste is bad, huh? I think we...
Like, it really tastes like...
I know. I was just saying, how do they... Oh, wait. We didn't do coconut or spoiled milk.
I don't want to do it.
That would be the very, very last one since we can't do that one, honey. Come on. Be a trooper. Coconut. Coconut. I hate coconut, actually. That's something I don't like. So I'm not wishing I get spoiled milk, but I wish I get coconut.
Coconut.
Oh my god. How do they do that? Ew, it smells, it really does smell like spoiled milk. It's gross.
No, that vomit just me up.
Wow.
I'm not doing that again.
No, I'm never doing that ever again too. But that was fun.
I'm not letting you trick me into that again.
Aw, thank you for being a good sport.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, just wanted to film a quick fun video for you guys. Hope you guys have a safe and fun holiday, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Bye. Okay, now we have to do a thumbnail. Oh, I bet you we got some good thumbnails.
Yeah, I'm sure you
I was like...